Do you like macaroni and cheese?
I know I like macaroni and cheese.
Hi, welcome to my kitchen and welcome to our channel. Y'all, it's cold out here in my kitchen, but I gotta get dinner done, so we're just gonna vest it up. Today, we are gonna make holiday mac and cheese. The one that your grandma only broke out for special occasions, holidays, Sunday dinners, that one. All right, y'all know, if you watched any of my other videos, when I make pasta, I tell you to really salt that water so that the salt will soak up into whatever pasta you're using. For holiday mac and cheese, you do not do that. That's probably one of the only times that I don't salt the pasta ahead of time. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I got about 1.5 quarts of water in here, and we need to bring that up to a boil, and then we're just going to put 1/2 box of macaroni in there. Alright, now obviously if we're going to boil water, we got to have a high flame, and I'm telling you, it's been raining for 2 days out here. My matches ain't working. They are. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright, now we got a high flame, and we're going to get that water to boiling. Now we're going to go to the ingredient. Okay, you're going to need some milk, some macaroni, some butter, some flour, an egg, 2 cups of cheese, some salt, some paprika, and a little bit of spray. First thing we got to do is get this pan on. We're going to go for a medium heat for this, about like that. We're going to let that pan get hot. Y'all know I like to get my pan hot. And then we'll start loading. Okay. We need 1/4 cup of butter. And we're just going to put that in there and let it get melted. Actually, I'm going to cut it up a little bit so it'll go faster. Butter is really easy to measure straight off of it because it tells you right there 4 tablespoons is 1/4 cup. Now that my 1/4 cup of butter is melted, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Just kind of get it all spread around. And then I like to use a gravy whisk because I am making a roux. And you just want to make sure that's all good and incorporated, and you want to keep stirring it for about a minute, minute and a half. Alright, now we're going to add 2 cups of milk, one at a time. Give that a stir, get that flour all incorporated. Now we can add that other cup. There's my 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to give that a stir, and then we're just going to lightly stir till it gets a little bit thick. Not super thick, but a little thick. Just want to make sure that flour is good and incorporated. And you want to bring it up to a good, not boil, but near boil. You know what I mean? Just near boil. When it starts to bubble, that's good.
Honey, how much longer I got to stir this thing? Oops.
About that long. See, I'm bubbling? That's all I want, is for it to bubble. Now I'm going to turn it down to low. All right, my water is boiling. And like I said, you only need a half a box of macaroni. I don't really do that, so this is a guesstimate of a half a box of macaroni. It's only 8 ounces, you know, so I'm pretty close. That's enough for Andy and I anyway. All right, now what I need to do is get 1 cup of this good hot sauce. Okay, and I need to like start stirring and stir in my egg. Okay, I don't know why, but Granny always said do not just dump the egg right into the thing. To take 1 cup out, add your egg, and then add it back to your pot. And then give that a good stir, and then incorporate it. So that's what I do. All right, now we're going to let that come back up and get hot again. And then we're going to add that 2 cups of cheese. And don't forget, macaroni is the world's worst about sticking to the bottom of the pan. Make sure right after you drop it, and then another minute later, come back and stir it. Make sure that it's off the bottom. Okay, now it's time to add my 2 cups of cheese, and I'm going to do that one at a time too, so that it melts good. Okay, that one's melted. Time for cup number 2. And you want to make sure that it's all melted. Okay, and if I didn't say what kind of cheese, it's cheddar cheese. I always use cheddar cheese for my mac and cheese. Now we're going to turn this eye off because it's all nice and melty. And now all I have to do is wait on that macaroni to get al dente, which should take like 12 minutes according to the box. All right, my pasta is al dente now, so I'm going to turn this eye off, and I'm going to go get this water dumped into out of a colander, and then I'll be right back. Okay, nice and drained, into the pot it goes. Get that stirred around and all incorporated in that, without spilling them all over the stove. Now I'm just going to put a little cooking spray in there. I hate this stuff, but it makes life so much easier. And then we're just going to put all of that goodness into that pan. And this is a 8 by 11. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of paprika all across the top. If it'll come out. There it goes. Just a little bit. Now we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes to an hour. Just anytime in there it's going to be done, because everything's done already anyway. There we go. Okay, my timers went off now. It's time. Look at that Isn't that just like you remember? And if you're used to it being a little thicker, just use a smaller pan, like an 8x8. That'll make it, you know, up the pan.
I've been watching the preparation for this holiday mac and cheese. Since Tammy got that little toaster oven over there, I'm excited.
Yeah, because I couldn't make this. I mean, I couldn't make it till my friend Gail gave me that little toaster oven. Now I'm dangerous.
Yeah. She ever said if you got me an oven, I'd be dangerous.
Oh man, that is good mac and cheese.
Now it's way past good, guys. I don't know how to tell you this, but if you're sitting or standing there watching me eat this, eat your heart out. Because this is truly delicious. Yep. Do I need to stop now or something?
Oh, well, we need to say bye.
Bye.
Have a great day. See you next time.